Last summer, two birds came to me. One sat on my shoulder and the other on my knee, and they began to sing so crystal clear, so full of love that I broke into tears. Forgot about the women I ever met, about the pain and sorrow I did spread. Like a flower they caressed me with fragrance of comfort. I fell in oblivion about my poison core. Poison core. I was willing to unravel the knot of fear. Shall no more be there when I rise from my beer. So I prepare myself to walk the dark and winding road. To every human shoulder belongs a heavy load. And the early morning sun sent a beam of amber light. It seemed to me a prophecy for the end of my dark night. And the late evening sun sent a beam of ruby light. And the late evening sun sent a beam of ruby light. The long, long dark night of my soul. The long, long dark night of my soul.
I just can't stay here by myself. Myself.
Not of fear. Not of fear. Last autumn you came to me. You kissed on my lips and you sat on my knees. Slowly we did rock in a silent sweet embrace. In this night we wove our silken lace. Forgot about the women I ever met. Forgot about the women I ever met. About the pain and sorrow I did spread. Ever met. Summer, two birds came to me. One sat on my shoulder and the other on my knee, and they began to sing so crystal clear, so full of love that I broke into tears.